Car Story research indicates this vehicle as low miles. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, leather seats, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2014 INFINITI QX60. The INFINITI QX60 is the perfect blend of luxury and practicality. This crossover SUV not only provides ample space for passengers and cargo, but also an interior that screams luxury. In addition, the QX60 offers extremely high levels of safety, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, remote trunk release, mirror memory, backup camera. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.